Look at how beautiful those clouds look. So gorgeous. Vegas is so... Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash as usual. First thing in the morning, as soon as I leave every day, grab a cup of coffee. It's 11:19. We are going first thing in the morning. I wake up pretty damn late. I wish I woke up earlier. And the sad thing is that I still go to sleep at like usually around 10 or 11. And I think it's because of how much working out I do. Like I go to the gym twice a day. Sometimes I'm doing like skate park stuff. Sometimes I'm going to the trampoline gym. And just my body's always put in a lot of stress because of all the activities and stuff. So my body likes to sleep. I also take this, it's kind of a testosterone booster, but it's more of a natural supplement. It is called Z Elite. It's a pill with, it's got melatonin in it, just a little bit. And then it's got zinc, iron, and magnesium, so it gives you all the like necessary metals that your body needs to recover. Super great. I don't know why it's labeled as a testosterone booster, because it's not really like a testosterone booster, but I've been taking that lately, and I sleep like a rock. Like I do not wake up. But anyways, today we are getting to the topic of the day right away, which is driver oversaturation. Someone commented this the other day. I can't find it because it's buried in the comments. But so comment down below which delivery services you guys work for, so that way I can kind of take a little bit of a tally to see how many drivers are coming from each platform. Like I personally just do Doordash, and I haven't done Postmates in a while. I gotta be honest. Like it's been solid 2 months. I don't know, whenever I made the last Postmates cheat codes video, that was the last time I did any Postmates. Probably about like a month or two ago. And I just did a few orders. I just cannot stand doing a $3 order every single time and not knowing if I'm gonna get any more money, you know? Like if you don't get tipped on a Postmates order, you just did that order for $3 or $4. That's why I don't do it. But anyways, we're talking about driver oversaturation because with everything that happened in the last year and like how popular these apps became. Oh, I gotta log in actually. With how popular all these apps became, it is becoming very hard for people to get a job as a delivery driver now. And I see it in the comments all the time. People are like, oh, I applied for all of them and they're all put on hold. Well, I take that back. I've never seen anyone say that Postmates didn't hire them right away. So again, that's the problem with Postmates, is they're just hiring so many people. That's why it's the worst platform, because I don't believe that they even have a driver cap. I think they just take as many people who want to get on the app as possible. I've never heard of anyone not getting right onto Postmates. Like my roommate signed up for it and she was on Postmates within like a couple days. Doordash, it took me like an entire year of waiting on the wait list, and Grubhub just straight up never hired me. So I'm sure they're Doordash has, I want to say, double if not triple the amount of orders as Grubhub does, because DoorDash takes up 50% of all deliveries, which is very interesting. You know, that's a total monopoly, which means like everyone else is fighting for the last 50%. So yeah, driver oversaturation is real. And if you guys are interested in becoming a DoorDash driver or DoorDash or any of them, first of all, DoorDash, use my affiliate link down below and go and sign up for that. We'll both get $150 after you complete like 100 orders or something crazy like that. I don't know. Just use my thing down below. If you guys get hired, that'd be great. If you don't, whatever. But if you guys do want to become a DoorDash driver or delivery driver, I keep saying DoorDash, you gotta just apply to all of them, you know? That's anytime you want to get a job. Don't just apply to one place a day. When I used to have to go get jobs, like when I was like 18, 19 years old, and I wanted like a restaurant job, there was this, I used to live in Arcadia, California, and there was this strip on Huntington Boulevard that went from like Santa Anita all the way down to like Myrtle in Arcadia. If you don't live there, you don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, there's a ton of restaurants on there. And whenever I wanted a job, I would just take my application to every single one. And that's what you got to do if you guys want a job as a delivery driver or any kind of rideshare, Uber, Lyft. If you got to apply to all of them, you know, you got to really just send it on all of them, because who knows who's going to hire. You don't know who's hiring at that time. You don't know how long it's going to take, and it does not hurt to have options. Options are never going to be a bad thing. It's the best thing in the world is to have options. No one's going to be mad if they're like, dang it, I got to choose between these two jobs, so which one's better? All right, I'll take the better one. But if you only have one choice, then you're kind of set to that one exact, you know? Anyways, if you guys haven't yet, please consider liking this video. Anything helps, because just smash the like button, you know? It greatly helps out my channel and helps more people see these kind of videos, and my whole goal is to just help out as many people as possible, put out as much free information into the world as possible, because everyone, I would imagine, like, not too many people are doing the greatest after 2020. Like, I'm not doing the greatest. I had a 23 show tour lined up for my stunt show. Boom, gone, all of them. They were supposed to start March 24th. That was our first show. All 23 shows got canceled. And, I mean, fortunately, we got a show that's booked, but it's not till next October, unfortunately. But anyways, all right, we're driving over the outlet mall. Almost there. Damn, look at how gloomy it is. I missed the light. Delivering to the strip. Hell no. Another order from Lazy Dog. 7.6 miles, but it delivers to the strip. Hell no. I actually just got done filming a video on taxes, and I missed 12 deliveries in that 8 minutes. So it is a poppin' time right now. Why is it so poppin'? Oh, because it's Friday. Friday, it's always poppin'. Today, I got some stuff to do right after these dashes, because we still have not taken photos for the new yoga pants and guys joggers and the sweaters and all the other stuff that we just purchased for Off Axis. So yeah, now's a good time to tell you guys, if you guys haven't yet, please go check out offaxisacrobatics.com. I'm giving the shoes away for $35 just for the next 5 days. Now, I like to do these things called quick sales for all my like hardcore fans who actually watch the videos. So if you guys want a pair of these shoes, they're only $35. They normally go for $110, but literally I just finished designing these pink ones. So I don't want to get another storage container, so I'm trying to get rid of some of these things over the next couple of weeks before the pink ones come in. I personally thought, oh yeah, by the way, so use discount code Tanner's YouTube, and that'll get you the shoes for $35 just until February 5th. If you're watching this video after February 5th, I'm sorry, but I can't always give the shoes away for $35. That's just for the hardcore fans. Yeah, so offaxisacrobatics.com, Tanner's YouTube, or if you're watching this video after February 5th, you can always get 30% off using Off Axis Tanner. Anyways, back to what we were talking about before. So yeah, driver oversaturation that's a real thing, and I'm glad that I got in when I did. Like, I signed up, like, what, I've been doing Doordash for 2 years now, and Postmates for like a little over 3. So I'm glad that I got in when I did, because it's like, it really saved me. Like, when I lost all of my income that I planned on having, and it just disappeared, look at this, boom, Chili's, $8. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's almost $8 a mile. $8 for 1.5 miles from Chili's. Boom, except it delivers to a freaking hotel. Oh well, I'll take it for $8. All right, so we're gonna do this drive. I don't know why I like smashed it in a drive, but we are going. So check this out real quick. So, oh, I don't want to show you guys where my home is. Okay. Okay, so here, check this out. I can do front cam, so that way when birds are in front of me, which happens all the time, I can like, look, boom, I can guide myself around birds. There's no birds right there right now, but I can drive around the birds or know if they're out of the way or not, and that comes in handy for me because I have 9 chickens. So someone was telling me to talk about the chickens the other day, and the backstory behind the chickens is my ex wanted chickens really bad, and obviously we moved on to like a, well, not obvious, but we moved on to a 1.5 acre ranch basically, and we wanted some animals, so we got some chickens. We started off with 6. Well, we started off with 2, and then it was 2, or no, it was 3, and then we got another one the next week, and then another one the next week, and then we had 6, and then we got 3 more, so now we have 9 chickens total. But it's awesome because we get like anywhere from 5 to 7 eggs a day, pretty much. So organic eggs. My whole thing was, as soon as like this quarantine bullshit started, I wanted to be able to live off of our ranch, you know, like grow our own vegetables and everything. So like she handled the chickens and stuff, and then I handled the garden, kind of, not really. It was more like her, but I was like doing the watering and all this stuff. And then the summer came around and literally toasted all my vegetables before they even sprouted, because nothing survives in Las Vegas in the 120 degree heat except for what was it? Not squash. I don't know. One of the vegetables, beets. I wanted beets so bad. I planted a bunch of beets, and none of the beets sprouted because it's just like 120 degrees. It was pretty much 110 at minimum, like all summer long. And like, we planted them too late. We planted them in March, so by the time they were about to sprout, they stood no chance. No, the Vegas oven of a city just burned them all. Anyways, all right, let's go check on this order. Oh, I'm 10 minutes early. It's not gonna be ready, but we'll go check real quick. Oh yeah! Right in front of us. Got an extra $8 before I even went into Chili's so far. So now we're gonna make like 16 to drive 6 miles. Pretty damn good if you ask me. I'm stoked. Alright, 1 order down. Just dropped off the first one to a freaking hotel. Kind of annoying walking around this whole place trying to find where it is, but it was $8 for a mile. Not gonna really turn that one down. But yeah, so got 1 more order. It's this Five Guys order, and this is the first time I've seen a Five Guys bag that wasn't like super greasy and just like falling apart in a while. But today's an interesting day, you know. It's all that GameStop stuff kind of like triggered something, you know. And now all the people are kind of working together, and thank God. I've been saying this for so long. United we stand, divided we fall. Like, it's not like I made this saying up. It's true. You know, when people are working together, you get amazing things. But when everyone is divided and split apart, nothing works. And man, it's been like this for like the last 4 years. The media is just dividing people, you know? And why do they divide people? So they can take more control. And as conspiracy as this sounds, like, come on now. Like, it's not really a conspiracy, guys. You're seeing this in like real life now. Like, look at all these hedge fund people. Like, dude, these people have been like putting people out of business, like literally pump and dumping shit all the time. And now finally people are all colluding together to make like these people go out of business. This shit ruins society, you know? When people are making millions and billions of dollars off of doing nothing except for just straight up jacking people who are investing in stocks or businesses, like, that's messed up. Anyways, maybe I'll make a video on it later, but I don't want to talk too much about that stuff. But I am very happy seeing all this stuff because people are finally coming together, and it seems like even like people on both sides. I was a little annoyed to see that some of the articles were like, Trumpism is causing this, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, no, these are not people who voted for Trump. It's not either side. It's people who are pissed off at the system and coming together, you know? Anyway, so we got this Five Guys order. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like paper bags is not the way to go for Five Guys. Come on now, Five Guys, you should realize how greasy your food is. I'm looking at the side of it, and this thing is about to fall apart now that I say that. Like, I don't need to show you guys, but yeah, it's too heavy for me to pick it up. This thing will fall apart. Five Guys bags are always almost falling apart because of how like greasy their fries are and stuff. But anyway, so we're gonna drop off this last order going to Lonnie. Ordered Five Guys, come through gate and leave at door. All these orders are leave at door nowadays. It's kind of nice because I don't have to sit there and wait for people. And like, I don't know, it's nice. Like, sometimes it's really annoying when people take forever to come to the door, and now with COVID, it's probably the best thing about COVID is we can just like leave shit at door, take a photo, and then walk away. We don't have to sit there and wait for people. I used to sit there and count to 30 seconds. That was my thing. I'll sit there for 30 seconds, and if you're not there, I'm just leaving it at the door. But now we can just drop it off, and most people are like terrified of COVID and they don't want to see someone anyway. So anyways, that's all I'm gonna talk about for today, guys. If you guys enjoy these videos, please consider smashing the like button because it really helps out my channel. I've said that many times before. Again, we got that amazing discount that's you're not gonna see a discount like this on shoes for a while. I just literally need to clear out some space for the 500 pairs of shoes that I got coming in. So use the discount code Tanner's YouTube until February 5th, 2021. Or if it's after that, you can always use the discount code OffAxisTanner for 30% off. I think Tanner's YouTube is like 65% off-ish. I think that's what it is. Anyways, it'll get you $35 ninjas. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Subscribe if you guys haven't. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.